Hey guys, welcome to Phuket Concierge. It's Maria here. Today we're at Villa Ban Phu Phana. It's located between Bang Tao Beach and Serene Beach. This place has 9 bedrooms as well as all the facilities you may need. Let me show you around. This villa has an infinity pool, a spa, a massage and fitness room, as well as this team who is here to support you during 24 hours. This villa also accommodates any special events that you may have, and it also hosts up to 20 people. So this area is known for its vibrant nightlife as well as convenience and the best restaurants. We have the best restaurants around us as well as the best beach clubs. But if you prefer to chill, this is the perfect place for you. Okay guys, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the review of this villa. If you're interested in booking this villa or any other villa from our catalog, please look at the description down below where we'll have all our details. See you next time.